Satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools. Number 12. Happybuy Automatic Electric Wire Stripping Machine. This wire remover can readily withstand harsh settings and years of heavy use because it is made of robust aluminum alloy. High-hardness blades are included to assure the stability of their operation. Drill-driven technology is powered by an electric motor, and the movable blades and rollers may accommodate wires with diameters ranging from 1.5 mm to 25 mm. Number 11. Real Steel Soft Base Hammer. Use the Real Steel 0314 Urethane Hammer for delicate work and valuable metal. The hammer reduces surface damage and marring during your work procedure. A firm grip and long life are guaranteed by the hickory wood handle's grain. It is appropriate for carpenters, furniture makers, mechanics, and woodworkers, and an excellent present for Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, and tool collectors. Number 10. Zenith Floor Lifter. The Zenith Floor Lifter is made specifically to remove ceramic tile, nail, or glue-attached countertops, trim, and hardwood floors, and it works excellently to scrape off popcorn ceilings. It is the ultimate multi-tool for demolition and remodeling. The floor lifter's longer form allows for a deeper plunge on wider baseboards and trim, negating the need for a shim or small board spacer. It also has a broader angle with an integrated wedge center that increases removal efficiency for more aggressive extractions on larger tasks. The floor lifter can be used for more demolition and remodeling tasks. It replaces the requirement for a shim or tiny board spacer, requiring less equipment, less time, and less money. It does the same tasks as a wrecking bar, flat pry bar, or claw. Number 9. Malco TY4G Tensioning Tie Tool. The TY4G tensioning tool is designed to quickly and effectively tighten nylon ties to connectors on fiberglass duct takeoffs. The TY4G has ergonomic gray vinyl cushioned grips and a manual, simple-to-use cutting mechanism. A simple pull of the lower handle causes a blade to engage and trim the excess nylon tie tail when the tie is tight. A handle closure with a smaller pinch point ensures safety and lessens harm. This tool, which has a crisp, black, baked-on enamel wrinkle finish, is built to withstand the environment and abuse at work. Both thicker 125-pound ties and ordinary 175-pound ties can be used with the TY4G and other Malco tie tools. Number 8. Ultimate Body Press XL Doorway Pull-Up Bar. Pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and sit-ups are effective ways to develop the chest, arms, back, and core. Elevated bar fully leverages your doorway opening for a full range of motion by positioning itself 1 inch above trim and 10 inches from the wall. Up to 300 pounds can be supported using premium thick steel tubing. Unique ABS couplers hold a solid, tightly packed, and stiff frame in place. For improved training, high-density foam grips prevent strain. Quickly alternate between floor and doorway exercises. Bars can be installed quickly and without drilling. Measured from trim face to trim face, fits entrances that are 6 inches deep in residential buildings. Expandable bar ends suit molding up to 3.5 inches wide and entrances 24 to 36 inches wide. Number 7. Klein Conduit Bender. Conduit benders from Klein Tools use patent-pending angle setter technology for quick, repeatable bends. The large foot pedal has angled grooves for added traction and great stability. Degree scales and multiplier scales can reduce work time since they have bold, cast-in benchmark symbols that are immediately apparent. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has produced high-end professional-grade hand tools with the performance, longevity, and precision required to complete tasks correctly. By utilizing only the best components, exceptional craftsmanship, and as much domestic production as they can, their family of engineers, artisans, and craftsmen continues to incorporate 6 generations of experience into every instrument they produce. Number 6. Karaman Fixed Blade Knife. For anything that needs to be cut, it is a must-have. These small fixed-blade neck knives include sturdy grips and a range of blade designs. They feel equally at home in the house or in the woods. They were created by Melbourne, Florida-based Alan Foltz. With over 20 years of experience as a designer and committed custom knife educator, he is passionate about educating others about knives as tools and sharing his knowledge of custom knife creation. The small fixed-blade knife designs of these slimline dynamos are jam-packed with features. They tear through a range of cutting chores better than most knives of equal size and are available with plain edge, Wharncliffe, Tanto, and Bowie-style blades. Number 5. Professional Leather Hole Puncher. For your favorite belt that could be too large after dropping some weight, you can now make fresh round holes. Or perhaps you overindulged in Grandma's renowned sugar butter pies over the holidays, making your belt a bit too snug. Or perhaps the hole in your adorable dog's collar, which he's outgrowing, has to be replaced. Life does happen for a variety of reasons. 6 separate multi-sized round hole punches are included in the premium hole punch set to accommodate a variety of tasks and materials. The following sizes are among them: 2, 2.5, 3, 5, 3.5, 4, and 4.5 millimeters. The rotary hole punch tool can make accurate, expertly rounded holes in materials including plastic, vinyl, leather, paper, fabric, cardboard, canvas, silk, and even rubber. Number 4. IMOLIVE Brushless Mini Chainsaw. This brushless chainsaw is a high-quality tool that can complete the task if you want it. This improved IMOLIVE chainsaw has a 30% longer lifespan, 85% more power, and 60% less energy usage than chainsaws with brushed motors. You never have to be concerned about jamming or sounds with this sturdy and powerful brushless chainsaw. It is appropriate for a variety of operating circumstances due to the long cutting length and great efficiency. The updated lubrication system on the IMOLIVE cordless chainsaw makes it compatible with a variety of high-quality chain lubricants. Simply pour the oil into the tank to enable free chain lubrication whenever necessary. This will enable you to chop wood and branches without difficulty, extending the chain's lifespan and extending battery life. Number 3. LOGOSAW Mini Sawmill. By converting a regular chainsaw into a full-fledged sawmill, this portable timber jig serves as a sawmill. Logs may be quickly and safely sawn into finished planks and boards with a log saw. You want to cut some wood, but you don't have enough room. You have a lot of freedom to cut wood whenever and wherever you want thanks to this accessory for logs. Using sturdy steel rail holders that can be put up in 4 precise places at 90-degree angles comes with an aluminum guide rail that allows for extremely precise cutting. If you currently own a chainsaw with 2 guide bar bolts, you may quickly and simply attach this addition to make it usable. You'll see the difference once you start using our portable big mill timber jig. Number 2. Pile Motorcycle Scissor Jack Lift. Fans of sport, cruiser, or dirt bikes must own the Pile Motorcycle Jack. For maintenance, it is used to raise the bike off the ground. Place the stand below the bike and raise it with a wrench or air tool. The heavy-strength steel used to construct the motorcycle servicing floor rack is strong enough to hold the majority of motorcycles. It has a 1/4 inch thick rubber pad on the platform to hold and balance the bike, and it is finished with a black powder coat. Number 1. Vever Ladder Extender. This ladder leg leveler is made using durable carbon steel and a powder-coated finish because we all know how vital a ladder's solid structure is and because it has a high resistance to corrosion and wears. The maximum foot size for usage with this leveling tool is 23.4 inches by 7.6 inches, and the steps rise ranges from 12.25 inches to 19.7 inches. It is also adjustable to 1/8 inch for more precise height adjustment. The ladder extender has an anti-skid surface and a mounting pin with a galvanized chain to assure your safety at all times when using it, because your security is the top priority. Both of them also guard against slipping and losing the retaining pin.